Today I will show you how I do these cute custom envelopes where you can store all sort of stuff and things and stuff. You will need paper, scissors, a pencil, some glue, and a ruler. For this project, you can get 2 envelopes from a single sheet of paper. So first we need to cut the paper in half. Like I don't want to fold the paper, I will use an already folded paper to get the correct measure. With a ruler and a knife, I can cut it in half. I will grab 1/2 to be our pattern. Be sure to tag it to avoid confusions. We will use this later. Folding half our pattern. Now fold the ends of the paper to the middle fold. Number all of your 4 columns. We want the column 1 to fold into the column number 3. Be aggressive. Measure 1 centimeter from the edges. And draw a line connecting the dots. Be imperfect. Fold again the pattern in 2. We need to cut along the 1 centimeter line that we drew earlier. But before, let's mark the flaps for the envelope, drawing a diagonal line below the 3rd column. Now let's cut them. Do not hesitate. Now to create the main flap, draw a diagonal line from the center top of the pattern to the edge of column number 1. Erase your mistakes. Let's cut now the 1 centimeter excedent from the top to the flap. Fold the flaps. I use the help of a ruler to make sure everything is perfect. Also, it's easier and I'm kind of lazy. So this is a great method. Use it wisely. Cut those triangles from the top. Grab the glue and then take it away. We are not going to use it yet. Remember this paper that we said goodbye earlier? It's time to trace our pattern into the final envelope. Do not glue the pattern, like never. Mark the important folds, the fold number 2, the lateral flaps, and the shape of the triangular flap and the fold of the main triangular flap. Fold along the marks. Cut the excess. hesitate. Bring back the glue. Don't be messy and protect the areas that don't need glue all over the place. Carefully glue the flaps to the body of the envelope. Be sure it's aligned. Do the same to the other flap. And here is it. It's your perfect envelope. It's great because, unlike other methods, you will get two envelopes from a single sheet of paper. You can fill it with a lot of stuff, like mainly letters, pictures, and some money. To seal it, you will use glue. But you can also add some cat stickers. The amazing thing about creating your own envelopes is that it's fully customizable. You can print your own patterns. Let's do it one more time, okay? Cut the paper in half. Trace the pattern in the back of your envelope. Break your tripod. Fold all the marked folds. Cut the excess. Glue the flaps together. Enjoy your envelope! Now, this is what happens if you make your pattern an envelope. Ugly is what you get. Compare that to the perfection of this envelope. Always clean your working area. Goodbye.